seed starting and gardening on the cheap. Hello, welcome to Seven Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. So today I'm going to show you how you can start your seeds and grow vegetables on a very cheap or tight budget. Gardening on the cheap. Here we can go and I'll show you what they have over here. That's $1. $1 you can start planting tomatoes, peppers, or whatever you want to plant this year. So there shouldn't be any excuse that you can't get it. All these seeds and items are $1. So get started. These are mini greenhouses, so you can definitely start seeds on the cheap with these, and you have your mini greenhouse right there, as you can see. So you should have no excuse for not starting seeds. These are all cheap seeds that you can do. And up here they have containers. They have small planters that you can plant your seeds or plant your flowers in them. Over here they have gloves, garden gloves right here. All these are $1. Yeah, they have plant hangers. You have the tomato trolleys right here. Yeah, these are plant hangers right here for $1. Down here you have more plant hangers. So here they have planting supplies for your garden. These are all planting tools and planting supplies. I need a shear like this for my garden. I'll get a shear like this. Yeah, flexible ties. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and don't forget to like and share. Thank you. Here they have some decorative stones, soccer hoses, small soccer hoses right here. So flower containers. Over here you have more containers. There's a flag right here. Up here you have wind twisters. It's a door. Here they have bigger containers.
Ma'am, I'll take that over on this side. It's not going to get to this. Right, so your total's gonna be 609.
We have pads, kneeling pads. Right here. Kneeling pads. We have more containers. We have potting mix right here. You got your seed strains right here. You have flags over here. Garden fence. Meter right here. Mixed colors. Tray. 10-inch trays. You get 2 of them. Here they have some garden twine. You can use to tie tomatoes and other stuff in the garden. Over here they have more items like seeds. You have seeds here that you can get for 25 cents or for $1. Check out my previous video that I did on cheap seeds. So you can get these seeds over here for $1 or 25 cents. You're able to get the seeds that you need to start planting and growing vegetables in your garden. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.